algebraic expression. Class 8 Maths algebraic expression. First we'll discuss all the basics of algebraic expression. All the basics of algebraic expression. First, what is the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is होते क्या है? Then listen to me. Any the combination of terms, the combination of different terms का combination वो कैसे obtain होती है? By adding that term, by subtracting that term, by multiplying that term or by dividing that terms. Algebraic expression, ultimately expression is that where we express in algebra, it is a combination of constant variables. Okay, now what is a variable and what is a constant? Variable, as its name suggests, its value vary. First we'll explain variable. What is variable? Variable is that whose value is varying. Like it's a symbol and its numerical value is varied. Its numerical value is not fixed. Suppose we have an expression 3x plus 4. We have an expression 3x plus 4. In this we have a x is somewhat value. In another expression x have another value. In every equation the value of x is changed. X value is not fixed. Okay, then variable shows which vary its value. All the variables x, y, z are all the variables because these values are not fixed. It change on depends on the questions. Now next term for algebraic expression is constant. What is the constant? Again constant which has a fixed value. Constant which has a fixed value like 1, 2, 3. 1 की वैल्यू 1 ही है, 2 की 2, 3 की 3. There is no change in the value of 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is variable. Sorry, this is constant. This is we have algebraic expression like 3x plus 4. In this x have a somewhat values. X is a changing value. X is a variable and its value change always. But 3 and 4 is same. It doesn't change. Okay. Then this is constant. For algebraic expression we discuss variable whose value change and then constant whose value doesn't change. Then come terms. What is terms? Suppose I have an expression like 2x plus 3y plus 4. Okay, then how many terms it has? Just how many symbols you have? Count. 1, 2 symbols you have. Then this is your first term, this is your second term, and this is your third term. Okay, then how we define terms? 2x, 3y and 4. These are our 3 terms. Okay, is it clear? Now there are 2 terms. This is the terms. We have a constant term. These are variable terms 2x and 3y, but this 4 is a constant term. Why? Because value of 4 doesn't change. Value of 2x and 3y can change. Hence 2x and 3y are our variable terms and it's our constant terms. Okay, now we'll go with algebraic expression again and we'll understood each and everything in detail. Suppose I have this 3x plus 5. You know what is the difference between expression and equation? First we'll discuss expression and then we'll discuss equation. Here 3x plus 5 is an expression, and if I write 3x plus 5 is equal to 2, then it is an equation. This is an expression and this is an equation. Why? Because it equate. It has a 2 terms, LHS and RHS. Whenever we have a LHS and RHS, then it is a equation. But whenever we have only terms, then it is a expression. It is not equation. Okay, this is the equation and this is expression. Now if anyone asks how many terms are there in this expression, we'll again write 3x plus 5. How many terms are there? Here we have 2 terms, 1 and 2. Okay, then they ask how many terms. After a term they can ask which is your variable term and which is your constant term. So it's your variable term because it has a x and the value of x can change, and it's our constant term. Clear? Now if we have a equation like 3x plus 5, then it's our linear equation. Which equation? Linear equation, because here we have a x power 1, only x power 1. But if I have a 3x square plus 5x plus 2 like this, then it's a quadratic equation. Which equation? Because maximum power is 2. And then if we have a power 3, then it is a cubic equation. Okay, now we'll learn the terms. On the basis of terms, our equations. Okay, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, if any expression having only single term like this 3x, then it is a monomial. Okay, like 4y or only 4, these are monomial. If any expression, all these are what? Monomial. Mono means what? One. Mono, it belongs to one, means it has only one term, that is monomial. If any equation having two terms, how many terms? Two terms. Like I have 4y plus p. What I have? 4y plus p. These terms are maybe constant terms, maybe constant and variable terms, maybe variable terms. Okay, if I have write 5 plus 4, is this two terms? No, 5 plus 4 is equal to now 9. It is single term. Because of they are both of they are constant, na, they can add. So it's a monomial. But if we have a 4y plus 5, then what happen? It is binomial. It is binomial. Next, trinomial. Next, trinomial. Its name suggests trinomial, which have three terms. How many terms? Three terms. Trinomial. Okay. Trinomial. Tri belongs to three, nomial. The equation, the expression which have three terms, can we write like this? 4y plus 2z plus 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this separate our terms. This algebraic, these expressions, these symbols separate our terms. Now these are our trinomial. If any expression having more than 2 or 3, then we called it multinomial. More than 2, we can call more than 1, sorry, 1 or more than 1 terms, we called it multinomial. If 2, we can call it binomial and multinomial. If 3, we can call it trinomial or multinomial, and more than 3, we can call it multinomial. Okay, now we'll learn another part, like terms and unlike terms. Now we'll understood like terms. In exam we have a question, find out the like terms in following sentences or following equation, following expressions, especially in expression. Then like terms and unlike terms. Then what is a like term? The like term, the term which contains same factors. The term which contains same factors. See, I have different terms like 5xy, 4xz, 2px, 7xy, and different terms I have like this. Okay, 8xz, 49xy. Now they are asking about like terms. Like terms are those which have a same factors. Here like terms we will write like terms. Okay. Now see, first is 5xy. What is this? 5xy. Then go with second, 4xz. xz, but here we have a y and here it is a z, so it's not like term, it doesn't have common factor. Okay, all factors should be common. Here we have a 2 is a constant. Okay, then p, but we don't have p in this and this, so it is also not like factor. Again here 5, here we have a 7, both are constant. Here we have a x, again here we have a x, these all are same, and here we have a y and here we have a y. All factors are same, hence both of these are our like term. Both of these are our like term. Next we'll check another 8, it's a constant, x also x, y, but here we have a z. It is my, is it clear? So it's not like term, but here we have a x, z, z, constant, constant, hence both of these are like term. Okay, once we write down, which we find 5 x y comma 7 x y, both of these are like terms. 4 x z 8 x z, these two are also like terms. 4 x z 8 x z. Last we'll check 49. What is this? 49 x and y. We have one more. We have here xy. Since it is also common with this, hence we find out like terms. This is remaining 2px. Just write down here 2px. Is it clear to everyone? These are our like terms. Okay. These are our like terms. If now we'll go to another part, adding of algebraic expression. How we add our algebraic expression. How we add our algebraic expressions. Okay. Adding of expression. Okay. Adding of algebraic. How we add? We can add only like terms. We can add only like terms. Suppose we have a 2x plus 5x, then 2x and 5x. Both are like terms because of here is a constant, x, variable, same variable. Both are constant, is it? So they can add on because both of they have a common factors. But if we have a 2x plus 3y, what we have a 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, here we have a x, here we have a y, so it cannot add. We cannot add a 2x plus 3y, like we cannot write 5xy. We cannot do this. This is wrong. But 2x plus 3x we have a, both of having same factor 2x 5x, then we can add this number 2x plus 5x as a 7x. But we cannot add 2x plus 3y. We cannot add 2x plus 3y because of both of having different factors. Both have a constant. We cannot write 2x plus 3y as a 5xy. We can only add like terms. We never add unlike terms. Okay, one more example I will explain for like terms. Suppose we have one question. We'll do one question. We have given add 3x plus 4y and x minus 2y. We have to add these two equations, these two expressions. What we have to do? We have to add these two expressions. Just add, write down 3x plus 4y. What will we write out? 3x plus 4y. Then just use add on symbol. What is the next expression? X minus 2y. Here what will we do? First we write like terms together. Write like terms together. Here which like terms we have? How many like terms we have? Here is a 3x and it is x. Both of these are our like terms, and 4y and minus 2y is our like term. Clear? We write it together. 3x. First we write 3x. Then take x with 3x. But always remember, we'll take always with sign. Always with sign. Then write down plus x. What will we write here? Plus x. Okay. Now what we have? 4y and minus 2y. Both are same. Then just write down 4y minus 2y. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now 3x and x both are same, both are same. Then we can add 3x plus x, that is 4x. What can we write? 4x and 4y minus 2y. Both are like terms, so we can subtract this. But 4 minus 2 is 2. But big digit sign is positive, so we put plus here. Here is our answer, 4x plus 2y. How we add our algebraic expression? We do another example of algebraic expression with quadratic equation with power 2. Our equation is 9x square minus 4x plus 5, 9x square minus 4x plus 5 and 3x square plus 2x minus 1 and 3x square minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. We have to add both these terms. We can do this question by two types. I will explain both of these two types. First, we have to add this questions. Clear? We have to add this equation. How we add? By two types we can do this question. The first type we'll do here. Okay, just write down first 9x square. Write down 9x square minus 4x plus 5. Just put plus sign. Okay, what will we put? Plus sign. Now make a bracket. Write down minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Okay, just open your bracket. 9x square minus 4x plus 5, as it is here we have a plus sign, so inside the bracket all the signs are remaining same. There are no change in our signs. So plus minus, here is a minus. Just write down next step, 9x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 3x square. Here we have a sign plus, so we write all the signs as it is without changing internal signs. If we have a minus, then we'll change the sign. I will explain when we do in subtraction. First we are adding this to expression. Okay, is it clear? Now what happened? 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Is it clear? Now we took like terms together. Which is our first term? First term 9x square. Just see where is another x square term you have. It's a 4x, 5, 3x square. Yes, we have another term, that is 3x square. Okay. Then just write down 9x square. We'll write minus 3x square. What will we write? Minus 3x square. Clear? Next, which term we have? Minus 4x. Now let's search x terms. Yes, we have a 2x. Then minus 4x plus 2x. Is it clear? Minus 4x plus 2x. Now what we have remaining? 1, 5 and minus 1. Just write down plus 5 and minus 1. Clear? Now 9 minus 3. Normal rule, 9 minus 3, that is 6. 9 minus 3, 6x square. Next, minus 4x plus 2x. What we got? Minus 2x. Okay. Plus 5 minus 1. That is 4. Plus 5 minus 1, 4. Here is one answer. Here is our answer. We have to add these two equations in an algebraic expression. First we write both of these equations and adding plus sign. Then we write like terms together and then solve this question. Okay. Now by another way, one more way we can do this question. Listen how we do. We have these two equations. Okay. We can write these two equations like this. Just put plus sign here. What will we do? Plus sign here. Now what happened? 9x square minus 3x square, both having x square. We can subtract these two numbers. Then we got 6x square. Plus minus 4 plus 2, what it comes? Minus 2. Big digit sign is minus, that is minus 2x. 5 minus 1, 4. we got the answer. 6x square minus 2x plus 4. This is the another way. Okay. Now next question we'll do. This is our vertical method of adding or subtracting any equation. This is our vertical method. Okay. Now another question we'll do. We are adding 8a square minus 6a plus 9. Add 8a square minus 6a plus 9 and minus 10a square 10 minus 10a plus 8a square. Wait, minus it, right? Minus it. This is our question. Clear? This is our question. We have to add these two terms. We have to add these two expressions. Okay. Okay. I think it is visible. Now it is visible. Now. Okay. Fine. Now we have to add these two expression. How we add? First, we'll do vertical method. Then we do horizontal method. Here first we write this expression, then we can write this expression. But in this expression what they have given, 10a 8a square minus 8. First we have to write like terms together, then after we can add. In vertical term we have to remember this thing. We have to remember this thing. We cannot add 8a square and 10a. First we have to write 8a square together, 10a 6a together, 9 and 8 together. Okay, now I am writing the solution. I am doing solution. Just see here. First we write 8a square. If we want to do vertical method, then write 8a square minus 6a plus 9 first. Then in this we have minus 10a first. Which one we have? Minus 10a, which is not our minus 10a. We cannot write below the 8a square. First we write minus 10a at which place? Yes, after 6a. Where we write minus 10a. Here we have a 8a square. What we have a? Now I think it is visible. Today I don't know what setup is. Now first we write 8a square minus 10a. We have a minus 8. Now we add both of this. How we add? 8a square and 8a square. What it is? 16a square. What it comes? 16a square. Minus 10a minus 6, what will we do? Both of having minus sign, so we add this number, but we have a minus sign. 16a here, plus 9 minus 8, that is 1. What it comes? 1. Here is our answer. Everyone? Okay, now if we want to do in horizontal method, this is our vertical method. Now we want to do same question in horizontal method. Just write down question 8a square minus 6a plus 9. Then plus, without wasting time, just do fast. Again we have a minus 10a plus 8a square minus 8. Is it clear? Now first we open our bracket. Minus 10a plus 8a square minus 8. First we open our bracket. How will we open? Just if we have a plus sign, then internal signs are as it is. There are no change in the internal sign. Just write down 8a square minus 6a plus 9 plus minus minus 10a plus 8a square minus 8. Okay, now first write like terms together and unlike terms together. Here 8a square, here 8a square, both are like terms. So 8a square and 8a square, it's a 16a square. What it is? 16a square minus 6a minus 10a. Then what it comes? 16, and we have a minus sign because of both of having minus sign, so it will add on. Plus 9 minus 8. What it comes? Plus 1. Here is our answer for algebraic expression. Okay, 8a square minus 6a plus 9 minus 10a plus 8a square minus 8. Here it's our answer. Now we'll do another question. Now we'll start with another question. Okay, just wait for a minute. Now we'll explain the subtraction. Maximum we have mistakes in subtraction sign because there will sign changing. First I will explain how we subtract this type of questions. Okay. Now suppose I have a question. Wait. Yes, I have a question. Subtract. Let me see one question. Subtract 2x minus x square plus 5, 2x square minus 2x minus x square plus 5 from minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. Maximum mistakes are done from subtraction. Just understood how we have to perform this question. What is saying, what question is saying? Question is saying subtract 2x minus x square plus 5 from minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. We have to subtract this number from this number. Is it clear? We have to subtract this expression from this expression. Suppose we have a given subtract 10 from 8. Subtract 10 from 8. Then what will we do? Subtract 10 from 8. 10 subtract करना है 8 में से. What will we do? 8 minus 10, right? And we have answer minus 2. Similarly, they have given subtract this expression from this expression. Then what will we do? We just write first this expression. Which expression we first write? This expression. Then after we write second expression. Is it clear? In subtraction, maximum mistakes is done by here. Just subtract this, first write this and write this and then answer. But in subtraction it is not done. If they are giving exam question, subtract this from this, first write this expression, then write this expression. Let's do our solution. Just start our question solution. First what we have? Minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. Minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. Just write down minus sign here. Just write down minus sign here. What we have? 2x minus x square plus 5. Now question is that, now how we solve here? Here we have a minus 1. What sign we have? Minus sign. Then we change the internal signs. We just change whenever we open the bracket. This minus will multiply by with this and this. This minus is multiplied by these and this. With all the numbers, all the terms, it will multiply. This minus sign will be multiplied by all the numbers. Okay. Now, how it is done? Just see here. First, what will be write? Minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. Now, we'll open the bracket and this minus will multiply with 2x. Here no sign. It means what sign we have? A plus. Whenever in any digit, any terms, there is a no sign, it means it has a plus sign. We assume it. Okay. Then minus plus, whenever we multiply minus with plus, it comes answer minus. Okay. Then minus plus minus. What we write here? Minus 2x. Again, this minus go with this and minus multiply by minus. Whenever we multiply minus, it goes plus. Then it's plus x square. Whenever this minus is multiplied by this, plus, minus plus minus. Then we write minus 5. Is it clear? Now, next what we do? We write just like terms together. Like terms together. Which like terms we have? First we have a minus 4x. Just find out any term which have a x. Here is minus 3, 7x square, no. Minus 2x, no. Plus x square, yes, minus 2x. It is like term. It is like term. Both of these are like term. So we write together. First we write minus 4x. Then we write minus 2x. Okay. Now what we have? Minus 3. What we have? Minus 3. Just write minus 3 first. Then search, is there any other term? Minus 3 we have. We have minus 3. Then no, 7x square is not same as it. Minus 2x we have taken, x square not. Yes, minus 5 is same as minus 3. We write down just minus 5. What we have right? Minus 5. Now what we have? 7x square. What sign it has? Plus 7x square. What will we write here? 7x square. Now this 7x square, what we have here? Plus x square. What we have here? Plus x square. Okay. Now we just arrange like terms. Now minus 4 and minus 2. Both of having minus signs. So we add this. Both of having minus signs. So we add this. 4 and 2, 6x, and always sign is minus. When both of digits are minus, then put always minus. Next, minus 3, minus 5. Again both of these two digits are minus. Just write minus 8. Again 7x square plus x square. What it come? X square, it means what? 1x square. Then 7x square plus x square. Then it is 8x square. Is it clear? I will explain again this question. Just see here. We have a question. Subtract 2x minus x square plus 5 from, we have to subtract 2x minus x square plus 5 from minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. We have to subtract this term from this term. We have to subtract this term from this term. First we have to write this term, then after we have to write this term. Then we write minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square, this term. Down, put minus sign here. One thing remember, always use bracket here. Always use bracket here in minus, because it changes sign. It changes sign. Minus sign here, then this term comes here. Now what will we do? First we open our bracket. Open our bracket. What our Bodmas rules say? Bodmas rules say bracket open, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We have a here what? Bracket. First our Bodmas rule said first open your bracket. First you open bracket. Then we open bracket. But before bracket we have a minus sign. Whenever we have a minus sign inside the bracket, whatever sign you have, it change its sign. Change its sign. Here whatever, here it's a 2x, there is a no sign. It means what? It has a plus sign. Then this plus sign is converted into minus sign here. Minus and plus. Then it was minus 2x. What we have, right? Minus 2x. Now this minus come with here. Whenever minus is, I told signs are changed. Here we have a minus sign. What we have, right? Plus x square. Again we have a plus sign. What we have, right? Minus sign. Because there is a minus. Whenever minus is multiplied by minus, it is plus. When minus is multiplied by plus, it is minus. Now we choose like terms together. We put like terms together. Here minus 4x, minus 2x, minus 3, minus 5, 7x square and x square. Then we add on all the terms. We add on all the terms. Now we can write our answer like this: 8 minus 6x minus 8. Highest power to lowest power. We can arrange our question like this. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now we'll do another question for we'll do another vertical method for subtraction. First we do this method. Now I'll explain the same question by a vertical method. Whichever method you will like, you can do that question, that type of method in exam. Okay, whatever method. See, in vertical method, again we have to subtract this from this. So first we write this. What will we write? Minus 4x minus 3 plus 7x square. Okay, we have write this equation. Now we have to subtract this term and write these terms. Okay, I will write 2x minus x square plus 5. But, and we have to subtract this. But in this we have to take care one thing. What thing we have to take care? We have to write same terms. Here we have a xx, here we have a 3 and x square. We cannot do this type of minus. Okay, then we have to write out minus x square here and plus 5 here. So change the position, but in same equation we can change the position. Same expression we cannot change, interchange this expressions positions. Okay, I am just interchanging my same expressions position. So I write again that same number. Here we have a plus 5 minus x square. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now minus, now what we have to do? We have to subtract this. What we have to do? We have to subtract this expression. Now As a subtraction, the all signs are changed. All the signs are changed. All the signs are changed. Here plus sign, no sign, it means what? Plus sign. Then plus sign is converted into minus sign. Again we have a plus sign, so it is converted into minus sign. Again we have a minus sign, so it is converted into plus sign. Now whenever we subtract this, now we'll perform action on the basis of new sign. Here we have a minus 4x and we consider it as a minus 2x. What will be considered? Minus 2x. Minus 4x and minus 2x, what will happen? It comes minus 6x. What it comes? Minus 6x. Minus 4 and minus 2. Both of the numbers are minus. Then we add that number and just put sign minus 6x. Now minus 3 and minus 5. What comes here? Minus 8. What comes here? Minus 8. Now plus 7x square and plus x square. What it comes? 7 plus 1, what happened? 8. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. So we write out 8x square. This is our answer. We can arrange this answer like this: 8x square minus 6x minus 8. Is it clear to everyone? We can do by both methods, by vertical method or by horizontal method. Whatever method you people like, you can do with that method this type of questions. Okay. Now we'll do another type of addition and subtraction questions with Now next question we'll do subtraction and addition questions. We are practicing here for algebraic expressions. Now if we have a question like add 7x square minus 4x plus 5 comma, it's our first expression, 7x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2, and we have here three terms, three expressions. How many expressions in this algebraic expression? We have three expressions: 7x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2, and one more expression I have is 7x square minus 2x minus 9. We have to add all these three expressions. We have to add all these three expressions: 7x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2, 7x square minus 2x minus 9. We can add by vertical method or horizontal method, by both of method. I will explain first vertical method, then explain horizontal method. But in subtraction, if we have a three terms, then we cannot do this. Then we have to do horizontal method. Now first, all this having x square, x, and constant. So we can perform operation here. Now 7 and 7, 14. 14 minus 3 is 11. Just write down 11. What expression we have? X square. Already big digit sign is positive, so we write down only positive sign is here. Now what we have? Minus 4x. Here we have minus 2x. Minus 4x and minus 2x both are added. 4 into 6, so minus 6x. Minus 6x plus 2x. 4x. We can do 2x and 2x 0. So we have minus 4x. What we have? Minus 4x. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now plus 5 minus 2 minus 9. Plus 5 minus 2 minus 9. Minus 9 or minus 2? Minus 11. Minus 11 plus 5. What we have? Minus 6. Is it clear to everyone? We have to add this question and we did this perform in vertical method. Now this question, same question, we'll do in horizontal method. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Write down in horizontal method. First we write down 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Then add another term we have. What we have another term? Yes, we have minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. What we have? We have to write down plus minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2. What another term we have? Plus 7x square minus 2x minus 9. What we have? 7x square minus 2x minus 9. Wait, I am showing you because just for a second. Is it visible? Now I think it is visible to everyone. Okay. Now we have to add all these expressions. We have to add all these expression. How will we add? Just first plus minus minus no minus. But if we have a plus outside of bracket, then only same signs are there. No sign changing is there. Just write down 7x square minus 4x plus 5 minus 3x square plus 2x minus 2 plus 7x square minus 2x minus 9. 9. Now write down the like terms together. Write down the like terms together. Whatever like terms you have, just write down it together. Now first search for the terms of x square. Term of x square. This is x square term. This is x square term and this is x square term. Write down all the terms together. Write down all the terms together. Yes. First we write down 7x square minus 3x square plus 7x square. We'll write down with their own sign. Cannot manipulation. We cannot do any manipulation in the signs. We have a x minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x. Write down. Minus 4 is whatever method you like, you can do with that method. Okay. Now plus 5 minus 2 and minus 9. Plus 5 minus 2 and minus 9. Minus 2 and minus 9. Now 7x square minus 3x square plus 7x square. What we have? 7x square minus 3x square plus 7x square. 7 and 7, 14x square. 14 minus 3, 11. So what we have? 11x square. 7, 7, 14, 14 minus 3, 11. Next, minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x. Plus 2x minus 2x. Cancel out 0. What we have remaining? Minus 4x. Okay. Plus 5 minus 9 minus 2. Minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 minus 11 plus 5 minus 6. This is our another answer. Is it clear? We have done this question again with another method. First we did vertical method. Now we did horizontal method. After a minute, we'll do another question. Just start with another question. Now we'll understand the multiplication tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow on same time we'll do multiplication and division of algebraic expression. Till bye bye, have a good day.